Welcome to your Plinko tutorial. The therapeutic goal of this activity is to work on improving the strength and range of motion of your wrist and hand. Improving your strength and range of motion is critical to improving your overall function. During this activity, your wrist movements will help lift the ball onto the top of the Plinko board. You will start by selecting the location from which you would like to drop the ball. To do this, you will touch the top of the screen where it states, "Press here to choose where to drop the ball." You can use your other hand that is not in a hand mentor to help with this. You can select any location across the top of the screen. From this, the device will start by providing a little bit of assistance. This may move your hand up. From this starting position, you have to move down in deflection to try to pick up the ball. From here, bend your wrist up into extension to drop the ball into the green slot. This is your goal. After each successful lift, you will get a brief rest. You'll be able to see the score.